So how do you see the photo? It is a tutorial of 2 minutes. Uh, um, how to uh, see movies for free in YouTube. Sometime like that I will explain a little in 2 minutes. We need put and it is in this case the name of the movie in English because this tutorial is in English in the search bar and the year of word of movie and the navigator will uh, give us some results. It is more or less um, heavy to pay because you pay only internet and you got a lot of movies for free on YouTube. Um, you can uh, you can get YouTube Premium for don't see publicity and uh, fastest functions to in the platform. I hope this it help. Great.